Chief Minister Nongthom Bombirit has asserted that the government is engaging in talks with the leaders of Mar and Thado community to bring a solution for the ongoing crisis. He said this during the discussion for appropriation bill in the assembly session. Chief Minister N. Biren claimed that the government has been trying to engage peace talk in Imphal with the leaders of various communities, including Mar and Thado community. Government has started taking important steps in the line of people's demand. Chief Minister further mentioned the central government has approved to initiate the fencing of border without compromising a single inch of land. He also highlighted that FMR has been removed and steps have been taken to initiate implementation of NRC in Manipur. Meanwhile, the state has also put its best efforts for the infiltration of illegal immigrants to deport them to their respective countries. Chief Minister further appealed the MLAs to refrain from instigating the internally displaced person.
Thinking negative views of Thadokse, Toy Balanche, Tonin the Topanate, me Pata, current Torokibani, Punamak Jati, Punamak Tadogi, Punamak, Paitegi, Punamak, I think Margi Punamak, Amata Yabanate. I couldn't only with the Asing drugs story, but the Mapandakisanga, all settlers in Bu. Aku mangan na bahona riba kambu dugi denia tau kanda. Ado hoji moi inshallah ka tawro ko moi stand law gre sir. Khoi di government ka peace talk to bune government ne hire ko khudi ma khoi da. Sida na te hadau gi sula khre. Hadau gi kambu moi asoboti mama moi kun kuthagi. Moi langan na balai even margi kambu su moi imphal da langke. Ain lao noi mayam hanagi arib all settler noi da kanam ta nei khoi kaino to bagem leite. Khoi gi base yar mo already legre 1961. 61 dugi mamang lebo ke dekho ki isin lauk sing atani adui matung da lak du da ko khoi permit system tawni haibani adu maina wari sana kan da sar mar gi isin lauk sing reciprocation yam phajana tawbire thadau gi isin lauk sing yam kone reciprocation tawbire sari kuthang da manipur gi miyam da thaje pijari yam thuna state sida shanti hanjalak na ba khoi kan honori ishorna su sanbi gine ne khale do miyam gi support darkar le miyam na pamba posing do ngasi bharat sarkar amani manipur sarkar na ayamba thaba khawrabanina tawrabanina masida thajaba thamaga masi fulfill tawna losalamsi sibu losalamadi akhoi manipur gi lakadaba ngasi leidi ngasi mirol amre tungi mirol fully protected laihorani